In all seriousness, the Indoraptor had an absolutely miserable life, something similar to the Spinosaurus, but his freedom didn't last for more than a couple of hours, and even then he couldn't fully enjoy his freedom because of his programming. The Indominus Rex was meant to be a future star, an attraction well made for the tourists of Nublar. The first successful hybrid that was meant to be seen by millions. Not him though. Oh no, his existence was just a means to an inevitable end, because he was just a test subject until they could make the best version.